Hey there, I'm Marissa with AIS. This video is all about how proactive maintenance and management through an IT services company just like us can keep your organization safe from online hackers and cyber attacks. Let's jump right in. You've got a lot on your plate, and it's challenging to manage your business's computer and network security on top of all of your other tasks. This is when a managed IT services team really comes in handy. Your in-house IT guy may seem bombarded with other technical issues or might not even know how to manage all the safety features of your networks properly. Not to mention, is he able to proactively monitor all of your systems? Is he looking out for network security threats before they have the potential to do any damage? Partnering with an IT services team like us takes the stress of business safety totally off your plate. And if the team you partner with is experienced and qualified, they'll offer you proactive maintenance and monitoring. I hope you enjoyed this quick bite and feel a little bit more informed about the importance of proactive maintenance and management for your small or medium-sized business. And hey, while you're at it, check out more of our videos about network security by visiting our Learning Center at the link below. Or give us a call at the number on the screen. I'm Marissa. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can worry less with AIS.